Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer your files from Google Drive to SharePoint. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to Google Drive. Log into your Google Drive account if you aren't already signed in. Locate the files or folders you wish to transfer. Select the files or folders by clicking on them. Once selected, click on the download option. This action will download your files to your computer. Next, open a new tab in your web browser. Go to the SharePoint site where you want to upload your files. Log into your SharePoint account if prompted. Navigate to the document library where you want to store your files. Click on the Upload button, usually found at the top of the page. Choose files or folder depending on what you want to transfer. Select the downloaded files from your computer. Click Open or Upload to begin the transfer process. Wait for the upload to complete. Once finished, verify that your files appear in the document. Your files have now been successfully transferred from Google Drive to SharePoint. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.